Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengkah. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke ceng car am. Tip syuk kan long kam no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong ko jongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ke degree course, ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Katkum ka khubor bala yolum layathu bakidon arngot ki bala syakam nakadaw ka Jingshah ka bala ja menhin kasi ha ka sinong Laitkynsew ka badan ha ki thain sora ha ka baka resort ka badang shina jong ka center point group ka bala long try do uba Larsing sawian kala Shah Thombor ka kurwo khubor na uba Larsing sawian kala ong ba ha ka por arso psan ei ha ka nop hai si kala don ka kunhun ka bakhat san ngut ei ki bala wanrung ha ka tiga resort ka badang shina bat kila Thombor ya ki nong tray ha ka babun ngut kila mensaw halor kini ki Jingshah u president jong ka Megalia Rural Tourism Forum uba Alan West ula penrem ya kini ki Jingshah.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang kan tau bon jat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang sya ka biodiesel tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka khya pat kamaryang ru kan umkta sho.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.